In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the background color of your landing page in Mailchimp, a step that can help you enhance the visual appeal and consistency of your promotional materials. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or simply looking to refine your approach, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp website. Fire up your preferred web browser and type in the URL mailchimp.com. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you do so with your account credentials. Once you're in, you should be greeted by the Mailchimp dashboard. From this central hub, you'll be able to access all the tools and features Mailchimp has to offer. Next, let's head over to the Campaigns section. You'll typically find this option listed in the navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. Once there, you will see a list of all your campaigns. What you want to do here is locate the landing page you want to edit. Landing pages are powerful tools for engaging your audience, and ensuring they are visually appealing is key to conversion. Once you've found the campaign or landing page you're looking for, click on it to bring up the editing options. Now let's get into the style settings. Within the editing interface, look for the style option. Generally, this option manages the overall design and aesthetic of your page. Click on Style to open a variety of adjustable settings for your campaign. Under Style, you will find several elements that make up the look and feel of your landing page. Among these, there will be a Body option. Give that a click. When you access Body, you'll have the ability to change various attributes, such as the font, text size, and importantly, the background color. It's time to choose your background color. You should see an option to select a background color, using the color picker tool, which allows you to choose from a palette or input a specific color code. You can select the color that best represents your brand or the campaign message you're aiming to convey. A well-chosen background color can highlight key elements on your page and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Once you've selected your desired background color, the change should be previewed in real time on your landing page editor. This immediate visual feedback lets you see how the new color complements your design before finalizing any modifications. If everything looks good and you're happy with your choices, make sure to save your work. Congratulations, you're done. Your selected landing page now sports the new background color, making it more aligned with your design goals. This small yet impactful change can go a long way in delivering a consistent and engaging experience for your audience. And there you have it, a simple guide to customizing your Mailchimp landing page background. Thank you for following along today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you enhance your campaigns in the future.